A person who wants to generate Yuxtap content must know the main menu that allows you to create or edit events, objects, and their actions. The objective of this first great example is that we can create our first object of the normal type. So to get on this mission, in the generation menu content, we will go to the option that says Create New Event. We click on it. Here, we must choose the type of event we want, and as I told you, to be a normal type object, so the event must be of the normal or ghost type. Therefore, we choose the option button that indicates it. You have to choose the inside name of the event. Nobody else is going to read it. And as a next step, we write the external name of the event. This can be read by anyone. For the internal name, we will type Nap Wars. And for the external name of the event, we will write Napoleonic Wars. Then we click on the green button that confirms the action. To corroborate that our event has been created, we can see it where it says Edit Event. If we open the list, we see that it appears there. Since we are here, if we want to modify the internal or external name of the event, we can do it in this option. Let's change the name to Napoleonic Wars Tutorial. And click on the blue button to confirm the addition. Now, in the Create Event option, we generate an event with the internal name WWII and with the external name the Second World War. We click on the green button to create it. Then we'll go to where it says Delete Event, and from the list we select the one that we just created with the name the Second World War. We click on the red button. If someday you delete an event, consider that if this event has objects within itself, they will also be eliminated.